This conference will now be recorded.
See now, Satya Dealers company is going to give the order to Jeevan Electricals. Which product we are going to give the order? HP Pavilion. This is my product. I need this product. We are going to give the order. We means who? Satya Dealers company. Okay. Satya Dealers company is going to give the order to Jeevan Electricals. What are the list of items is going to display? Name of item. Which item we are going to give the order. So here list of stock items is going to display. Select which product you want. We can select any one of the product. Select the HP Pavilion. Now here which date. So on May 1st I am going to give the order. This date is going to display. Again press enter. Location means godown. For which godown you are going to receive. You want to receive. So select for which godown you need to receive. Select any particular godown. I am going to select so Jayanagar example. Or else Hanuman Nagar. Select this one. Quantity. How much quantity? How many quantities you want? We have to give. Example 50 quantity I need. I am going to select the 50. Enter. What is the rate? Example 10,000 rupees. Total 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh worth rupees goods we are given the order. My cursor is above the underline. If my cursor is above the underline, we can select in the name of item list one more product. If I want to select the one more product, press space key in your keyboard. Say list of product is going to display. See, list of stock items. Select one more also. Sony series I am going to give the order. May 1st I am going to give in the order. For which godown? Hanuman Nagar only I am going to select. 5 product I need. Quantity 5 I selected. Rate 10,000 only I am going to give. 50,000 rupees total. Again enter. Say total 5,50,000 worth rupees goods we given the order on May 1st. Okay. Then again press enter. Like this we given the order. Enter, enter. Press enter option. Here narration must and should we have to give. So that means when we given the order, to whom we given the already, here it's going to display. But narration, some of situations, because some companies they are going to take the printout with the narration. That time must and should we have to give the narration. Link. I enter this. Accept this one. I accepted. When we given the order, May 1st, no? Enter. After that, I given the order. Now I want to see that how many products we given the order. Still means, for example, today May 1st I given. In the April 1st also, if you give the order already, last month I given already order. Still I didn't receive. How many goods pending is there? How much goods due is there? If you want to see that, go to here Alt G in the keyboard or else in the mouse, click on that go to. This is the advanced feature in the Tally Prime. Click on that go to option. This is called as a search field. In the search field, type as purchase order due only. This is the option. Click on that. See how many product we given. All the details is going to display. Purchase order due only April 1st to October 1st. It's going to display. We can change the date also. So here purchase order outstandings, because we given the order, that's it. Still we didn't receive the product anything. That's why it's going to display purchase order outstandings. Ordered quantity 50 only. Balance quantity also 50. This the rate, everything is going to display. One more product. So 5. So what is that? Sony series 5 numbers. So then 10,000 for each product, total 50. 5,50,000 rupees. work rupees goods, we given the order, that's a pending, means outstanding. Still we didn't receive the product. That's why it's going to display like this. Purchase order outstanding. Okay, we given the order. Now, when the Given Electricals is going to send the product, so we are going to receive the product. So what are the options which are product we given the order? That product we are going to receive. When we are going to receive the product, we have to enter in the receipt note voucher. This much product in the particular date from Given Electricals we received. Like this we have to enter. If I want to enter the receipt note voucher, when we are going to receive the product, go to other vouchers, that is the F10. Click on that other, because in the right side button bar we don't have receipt note vouchers. Here, show inactive, more options is going to display. Press enter. Now, where is that? See, receipt note voucher. Alt F9 is the shortcut key for us. Click on that. After that, receipt note voucher. Alt F9. So this is the shortcut key for us. I want to change the one second. This is the option. So receipt note voucher, Alt F9 is the shortcut key. When we are going to receive the product from suppliers, we have to enter in the receipt note voucher. Open the tally. Here, receipt note voucher, enter. Do you want to activate? Yes. Click on that yes. You need to activate the receipt note voucher. Yes, click on that yes. Or else we can press in the keyboard enter. We can press. Now, May 2nd, I am going to receiving the product. Example, May 1st, I given the order. May 2nd, I am going to receive the product. So, when we are going to receive the product May 2nd, no? So, now I want to change the voucher date. To change the voucher date, in the keyboard shortcut is F2, or else in the mouse, we can click on that. Here, date option also is there. Click on that. Voucher date is going to display. To delete the data, space key 25. See now, May 2nd, I am going to receiving the product. What is your reference number? Means invoice number, bill number, like that, some of reference number. Click on that reference number. 1 I am going to give. Enter. May 2nd, we are going to receiving the product. With whom we are going to receiving? Our suppliers is Given Electricals. Correct, no? Electricals only we given the order. That's why selected Given Electricals. Enter. See this, when we are pressing the enter, see order number automatically is going to display. This is the mandatory. If I select the order number, then only what are the product we given, all the details automatically is going to update. Okay, select the order number, enter. See now, what is these details? Receipt details. Receipt document number, example, document number, dispatch through, how we are going to dispatching through trucker, destination, so Hanuman Nagar, and here that vehicle person name, bill of landing, which date goods is going to land, vehicle number, everything we have to mention. This is the order details. Okay, enter. Now party details, this one. So party details, company is located in Karnataka only. That's why state it's going to display Karnataka, and goods place of supply also Karnataka only. Enter. But see automatically, and all the data we got. Whatever we given, all the product list of products we got. That means May 2nd we received the product. Okay, so this is be called as a receipt voucher is different. Receipt not voucher is different. Receipt voucher means when we are going to receive the amount from our customer ending. So even if it is a capital account also okay. From customer, if you receive the product amount anything, receipt voucher we have to. Receipt note voucher means after giving the order, when we are receiving the product from our suppliers, we have to enter in the receipt note voucher. Okay? Accept this one. Either bill, now I don't want, later I will tell, enter. Accept all the details. The narration I am going to give, billing goods received from Jivan Electricals. Am I audible, Nama? So next, after receive the product, because in my Satya Dealers company we received the product. How many product is there in my godown? Okay, means stocks. That is we call as a stock summary. What is the stock summary means? At present in my hand, at present current situation, present in my hand, how many product we have in that. So number of product, if I want to see that, we have to go to stock summary. Stock summary. Summary. If I click on that stock summary, enter. See how many is there? All the details is going to display for us. Alt F5 for detailed options it will come. What are the product we have? That means HP Pavilion we have in the 50 numbers, rate 10,000, 5 lakh rupees goods we have. In the mobile Sony series 5 numbers is there. Total 55 product we have in our Godal. Values 5,50,000 worth rupees goods we have in our Godal. In the stock summary, at present, what are the product we have in our computer, we can see the details. Okay, this is we call as a stock summary. So we given the order, after that we receive the product. Still, I didn't generate the purchase invoice. So all this purchase order and receipt note voucher without generating the purchase invoice, we done all the details. After receive the product, we have to generate in the purchase order. Means from G1 Electricals we purchased the product. So 55 product we purchased. Like this, purchase invoice I have to generate. For that, after this, after receipt note, purchase invoice. We have to generate the purchase invoice. Understood? Any confusions is there? Or one more time, let me repeat. Simultaneously we have to do, then only you will get some confusions, all these things. No doubts, nothing? Okay. Next step, we have to generate purchase invoice, no? Go to voucher. Say in the right side button bar, we have the purchase option. Click on that purchase. For purchase, shortcut is F9. Click on that purchase. Now purchase invoice. So purchase supplier's invoice number. What is the supplier's invoice number means? For example, purchase slash 01. Example I am going to give. This is the purchase invoice number I given. Which date we are going to purchase? Which date we are going to generate in the purchase invoice? May 2nd. Okay. Enter. So we purchase the product from G1 Electricals. Select the G1 Electricals. This is the receipt note voucher number. That is for reference number for us. When we receive the product, receipt note number it's going to display. This is our reference number. If I select, must and should we have to select. If I select the receipt note number, automatically what are the product we received using the reference number. If I select the number, automatically entire details it will come. See, enter. See, all the data automatically we got. Now, now we got that all the product. When after giving the purchase order, when we are receiving the product, that time purchase order is mandatory. Okay. After receive the product means after receipt note, when we are going to generate the purchase invoice, that receipt note number is a mandatory. That is important for us. Okay. Enter. Here narration I am doing. In that, if I press enter, see bill wise entry, bill wise details, it's going to display. Already in that I done all these options. One more time let me repeat. New reference means if it is a new bill, means I didn't give any advance or other, I didn't receive any advance, I didn't pay that any advance. Just this is the first new bill. That time we have to select the new reference. Advance options means when we are going to give the advance, even if it is receivable also okay, payable also okay, when we are going to pay the advance, we have to select the advance. Against reference means when we are going to clearing the bill, paying the bill, even if it is receivable also okay, payable also okay, when we are going to pay the amount, we have to select against reference option. On account is nothing but, for example, for G1 Electricals, I purchased so many times, 5 to 10 times I purchased, but still I didn't pay any amount. When we are going to pay the bulk lump amount, 1 second. When we are going to giving the even receivable also okay, payable also okay, lump amount. When we are going to pay the lump amount, we don't know for which bill we have to clear. That time we are going to select the on account option. See, if it is a new bill, we have. If it is a first time I am selling the G1 Electricals, I didn't receive any advance anything. This is the first time. This is the new bill. That time we have to select the new reference option. Against reference is nothing but when we are paying the amount, clearing the amount, even if it is receivable also okay, payable also okay, when we are going to pay the amount, we have to select the against reference. Advance is nothing but when we are going to give the advance, even if it is a, so when we are giving the advance or else when we are receiving the advance, we have to select the advance option. I purchased, but still I didn't pay any amount, or else I sold the goods to my customer. I didn't receive any amount. That time customer, when he is going to give the lump amount, so that time I don't know for which bill we have to clear. That time we are going to select the on account options. We are going to select. If I select the on account, automatically in that amount is going to deduct. So here I have to select the new reference because this is the new bill. Click on that new reference. That is the invoice number. This invoice number it's going to take. Again enter. It's going to ask the due date. So because we are purchasing means Satya Dealers Company is purchasing the product from G1 Electricals on credit base. That's why G1 Electricals is going to give the due time. 10 days or 1 month, like this they are going to give the due time to receive the amount. Okay, example I am going to give 10 days. Example I am going to give 10 days. If I give the 10 days, press enter. So 12th May, I have to pay the amount. Okay. So now 2nd of May, no. So 10 days due time they given. 12th May, I have to pay the amount. Enter. Being goods purchased. Enter this one. Okay, we purchased the product 5,50,000 worth rupees goods we purchased. Okay, no? Okay, so now I want to know that how much amount I have to pay to Jivan Electricals. What is the pending amount? All these things, if you want to see that, if I want to see pending amounts, so now I have to pay that amount to Jivan Electricals. But I don't know how much amount I have to pay. What is the pending amount? If you want to see that, here go to in that. Go to option, click on that. In the search button, type as bills receivable. Sorry, bills payable. We didn't purchase, no? That's a bills payable. Select a bills payable option. Click on that. So now it's going to display we purchase pending bills. Pending bills. So in the May 2nd, we purchased the product. This is my invoice number. Party name is Jivan Electricals. Pending amount 5,50,000 worth rupees goods pending is there. We have to pay. That's the pending bills. Actually, this is the shortcut key for us. Alt G. That is a shortcut key. Now, directly pathwise, if you want to see that, go to in the gateway of Tally, display more reports. Click on that display more reports. After that, statement of account, outstandings. Outstanding nothing but pending bills. Even if it is receivable also okay, payable also okay. Pending bills, it's going to display that. Click on that outstandings. Here, payable option is that. Enter. Let me repeat one more time. Escape, escape, till gateway of Tally, escape, gateway of Tally, display more reports, statement of account, then outstandings. Click on that outstandings in that payables. If we have the receiver pending bill receivable also, we can select or else select the payable option. Click on that. Now, Jivan Electricals 5,50,000 worth of this goods pending is there. We have to pay. We means Satya